Okay, so I'm here right now at a great looking hostel somewhere in Poblacion, Makati. Of course, there's no privacy here because there are like four bunk beds right here in the room. But luckily, no one's around here for now, so I'm free to do this recording. I'll just be here for a couple of days and then I'll be flying back home tomorrow morning. Okay, but this is not what I want to discuss with you guys today. It's something much more important that you really need to know, and that is no other than the bear market that we're in right now. What's up, peeps? This is Jeff, aka Nomad Fury, and we're back once again for another news crypto video where it is the best place for money making decisions in the crypto world. So, Newscrypto is an all-in-one crypto ecosystem covering everything from education to industry-leading proprietary trading indicators and tools. For more information, all you have to do is to simply go to their official website at newscrypto.io and explore their one-of-a-kind platform for crypto traders and enthusiasts around the globe. And not only that, they have a state-of-the-art non-custodial mobile wallet and their next-generation mobile app, which can be downloaded for both Android and iOS devices. Alright, so the bear market was really bloody nowadays. It all started with the Terra Luna, where it wipes out a lot of market capitalization in the crypto space because of the depegging of their then stablecoin known as USD. Even Luna 2.0 isn't good enough to make it up right now. As a result, Bitcoin plunged down to 25k until it consolidates temporarily between 29k to 31k. But lately, we've done something worse right now. Because one of the key reasons is the recent announcement of Celsius, in which they are blocking all redemptions, or we can just simply say pausing withdrawals in Bitcoin until further notice due to the extreme market conditions. So the outcome is that we've experienced another wave of bloodbath in market capitalization, and of course we've experienced extreme liquidation as well. As of this time in recording this video, the price of Bitcoin is hanging around 21,000 USD, Ethereum around 1,150 USD, and most of the altcoins are suffering right now. Okay, but the question is that should we be worrying too much about the downfall of the crypto market right now, especially those who have bought from the top? Let me share to you something right here, guys. I have started doing DCA, or dollar cost averaging, on Bitcoin last month. So it was an old school type of building and accumulating our wealth over time. So I have bought a little bit of Bitcoin in Satoshis with my extra, not beer money, when it was hanging above 30k. So right now, I am at a loss, to be honest, but it doesn't change my long-term goals to keep accumulating Bitcoin even during this bloody market. It's because if I have missed buying Bitcoin last time while it was at a super duper discount, I won't be making the same mistake again. Despite that we don't know when will the bull run going to happen again, we're anticipating the much awaited big rain, like what happened in early last year when Bitcoin reached an all-time high of around 68k. So for now, I'm going to keep accumulating, and also a great opportunity to buy at super discounted prices. If we did endure the great Bitcoin crash of 2018, for sure we can do the same here. The only difference is that despite all of this, we are in a much better position right now than before because of the non-stop mass adoption, along with the acceptance from the governments, financial institutions, banks, traditional companies, and so much more in various industries. But the question is, should we be panic selling or HODL whatever it takes? The truth is that no one can answer it for you but yourself. You know why? It's because no matter which advice you get, either from me or from anyone else around, the final decision will always be on you. It's your money, so you are fully responsible for your decisions and risks. So if you decide to panic sell, that's on you. If you decide to HODL, that's on you. If you decide to keep buying and accumulating more like I do during the bear market, that's on you too. It's because the crypto market is only for those people who can manage risk and handle their emotions very well, especially in this bloody market situation. Just don't go all in with your life savings though. It's a bad idea. Just only invest and trade an amount that you can afford to lose, especially in an uncertain bear market that we are in right now. Not only it applies to Bitcoin, but also on promising altcoins like Ethereum, NWC token, and so much more. So hopefully you have learned something from me in this video. So just remember to manage your risk very well. So if you think that this video is so helpful, kindly share this to your crypto and non-crypto friends out there, especially those who are buying, hodling, and trading some Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like the NWC token. So guys, I have a question for you. What do you honestly think about this video that I have for you today? So let me know right here in the comment section.
Did you enjoyed watching this video? If yes, I would like to thank you for this. And if you want to stay updated regarding my latest videos, interviews, and giveaways, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And also you could follow me on my official social media channels. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys on my next video.